Online food delivery, grocery delivery, daily needs products delivery business is now a billion-dollar industry. We already have many such big players like Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, and also applications like Gojek and Grab, and many such applications like Uber Eats who are doing very much good in this field. Do you also want to make your own multi-vendor food delivery website and application where people can register their seller, their store, and customers can buy products from their nearby seller and you can earn commission on each booking? Then this is the right video for you. In this video, we are going to discuss our ready-to-launch complete food delivery application website, how it works, and the complete detail of it. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. In this video, we are discussing our ready-to-launch complete multi-vendor food delivery website like Zomato. So this is how the website looks. It automatically takes your live location. You just need to click on allow. We also have application for this. So that's how the website is taking your location automatically. You can also change the location if you want to. So you can see it's live location taking website. So it will be showing the banners like this. If you want to make your complete multi-vendor food delivery website, this is the best option for you. It has multi-language like this. Without any loading, when you choose the language, it will automatically show you the language change like this. You can have any language like Hindi, English, French, Spanish, Arabic, any language can be supported by our ready-to-launch multi-vendor food delivery website like Zomato. In this website, a customer can see all the restaurant according to his location. He can also see banners like this where different offers are going on, and he can also see all the categories like this. He can click on any category to see the products inside it. And that's how he can come back to the home page. He can see the today's deals, today's offers. He can see best reviewed item. He can also see the products by cuisine like Chinese, Mexican, Indian, and much more. He can also see popular restaurant and restaurant nearby his location. So now if I click on this restaurant, I will be able to see that. He can also see popular foods nearby and much more. So that is the home page, the base layout of your multi-vendor food delivery website. It's a complete ready-to-launch website where a customer can make an order, the seller can accept the order, and delivery boy can deliver the order. If you want to make your own food delivery business like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. And that is how you can see products inside any seller, and you can see the complete detail of the seller, like how much time of delivery he takes, what are the products. You can also see by category, like you want to see only pizza, you want to see only cake. So those are also available. You can also see the products by veg, non-veg, or all. So that is also available in our application. So you can see cakes, pizzas, pastry, desserts, everything. And now you can add to cart and you can purchase the product. You can also see the location of the store. So you can see at which area the store is. Our application also has live tracking. Okay. Our application also has live tracking and everything. And now let's log in to make an order. A customer can easily log in by mobile number and password. He can also log in by Google. He can also make a new account if you want to. And like this, a customer can easily log in by mobile number and password. And yeah, that's how you have successfully logged in. Now let's come back to our store and make an order. So these are the items I want to add. I'll just click on plus button and the products will be added to my cart. I can also increase the quantity. I can also click on this heart button to add the product in my wish list. You can see this green icon that is showing veg or non-veg. If it's having a green icon, it's veg. If it's showing red icon, that's non-veg. And that's how you can see the details of a product also, like product description or anything else. And that's how you can see the product's details. And now let's click on add to cart. And now this is your cart. You can see all the products. You can see the products minus plus you can do. You can see you can add more items if you want to. You can see the suggested items. You can also see option that if that product is not available, what you want to do. You want to remove from your cart. You want to cancel the whole list. You want to get notified. So all these features our app has. You can also set delivery instruction like you want the delivery man to not ring the bell, you want it to deliver on the door only. So these all things are not mandatory. If the customer want, he can. You can also see the order total, like what is the total, what is discount, what's tax, everything. And you can also set you want the order to be home delivery or takeaway. You can also choose different time slots. You want the order to now, you want it to be later, at what time you want the order to get delivered. That's a very good feature. A customer can order for now, he can also order for later. You can also add your address. So this is the interesting feature. A customer do not need to add his address. A customer, when click on this button, his address will be automatically taken. He don't need to enter his address. And that's how our application and website make it easy for the customer to order, because the customer don't need to type his address. The website will automatically take their address like this. So this is my live location. The customer application and website has already taken this address automatically. And now I can choose my address and I can make an order. And now let's see the other features. If I want, I can also add my floor number and much more. We also have a feature of delivery tip. A customer can give no tip or 15 rupee, 20 rupee, 30 rupee, any tip. We also have a feature of cash on delivery, wallet, online payment, everything. So a customer can pay by cash, he can pay by wallet, he can also pay by credit card, UPI, everything available inside our application. Right now I'm choosing cash. He can also add order note like please add extra napkins or anything he can add. It is just optional thing. If a customer want, he can add. And he can also add coupon codes on each order. If there is any coupon code, any discount code available, he can directly choose from here and he can go for it. And yeah, that's how you can place an order. So now let's place an order. So that is the dark mode and light mode. And now we will discuss more, but let's place an order. And yeah, that's how a customer can place an order on your ready to launch food delivery, grocery delivery, multi-vendor website and application like Zomato. Now, this is the current order you just placed. You can see the order details. You can see the restaurant name. You can chat with the restaurant and you can also track your order. So that is how a customer places an order and he can manage his order completely. And now this order will go to the restaurant and also to the admin. And now the restaurant can accept this order and he can complete the order. And now let's discuss more features of your website. So that's how a customer can search the products. So this is your profile page. You can see your all orders. You can edit your profile, edit your name and much more. And this is your language page. You can change languages. And here is help and support. You can contact the support team if you want to. Here is live chat option. You can chat with the restaurant or delivery man. And here is the option of loyalty points. You earn loyalty points on each order. The admin can set how much points, but you earn points that you can use in the next order to get an extra discount. We also have an option of wallet. Customer can recharge his wallet by online payment options. And once he recharges his wallet, he will be having the payment in his wallet he can use while making order. We also have a feature of refer and earn. A customer can refer the application to another customer and both the parties will get some points in their wallet that they can use in the next order. So that is how the refer and earn feature is working. You can also disable it if you don't want to enable it. So that is the optional thing. If you want to enable, then you can. So now let's discuss the next feature. The next feature is customer can also request for becoming a delivery man or becoming a restaurant if he wants to. Let's say a customer wants to be a delivery boy or a seller, he can. That's the basic feature. And now let's come back to the home page. And now let's come back to the orders. And here you can see the history of your order. You can see your past orders. And if you want, you can just click on this reorder button and your product will be automatically ordered if it's available. Right now, the product is not available, but if that product is available, it will be automatically reordered. So that's a very easy to use feature. And now let's make an order from a different restaurant. So now you can see a restaurant can also show his particular offers. And now let's make an order from a different restaurant. So you can see a feature of order now or subscription. So subscription is like a tiffin service or something where a customer can set, okay, I want the same product to be delivered on weekly, monthly, daily. We have explained this in our another video that you can see in the I button here. But to understand in short, a customer can choose different dates he wants the order on, and he will be able to get the order within those dates. So you don't need to order again and again. So subscription order and normal order, both features are available inside our multi-vendor ready-to-launch food delivery website like Zomato. If you want to make your complete website and application like this and want to launch your complete food delivery business, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can help you the best. You will get a complete website like this: user Android app, deliveryman Android app, seller Android app, admin, complete code, and 1 year free technical support. If you want Android plus iOS, then you get website, admin panel, customer Android app, seller Android app, deliveryman Android app, customer iOS app, seller iOS app, deliveryman iOS app, complete source code, and 1 year free technical support. For more, you can directly contact us so our team can help you. And now we are checking our past order. So if you go back to your past order, you can see the complete detail. You can track the order. You can chat with the seller if you want to. So everything is available inside this application. We also have a proper application of this. So if you want, you can also have that. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can help you to make your complete application and website like this. You can also track your deliveryman here. Right now, there is no deliveryman available, but you can track the deliveryman if you want to. And that's how a seller and customer can have a chat. And that's all about our ready-to-launch multi-vendor food delivery website where you get banners, multi-vendors, multi-category, live tracking, wallet, everything in one. So what are you waiting for? Directly contact us so our team can make a website and application like this for you with live tracking and all-in-one features just like Zomato, Uber Eats, and Swiggy. For more, you can directly contact us so our team can help you and make your own website and application like this. For more, kindly contact to team, or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. And that's how you can also search the products inside our restaurant. So it's a complete ready to launch multi-vendor business website. Thank you.